So welcome back after your workout. Post workout we always recommend and always do cool down. Cool down is extremely important after a workout because we want our body to cool down properly before we get into other activities. So we will do a cool down routine now. Starting again, the idea of cool down is to ensure that all our muscles are relaxed. So it is a combination of stretches as well as certain uh, movements of our body. So the first one is we'll spread our legs, shoulder length or slightly more, and bend down from our back and relax our body in this position for maybe about 10 counts, and then move to one side, the right leg first. Hold this position for another 10 seconds or 15 seconds depending on the intensity of your workout. If the intensity is higher, you should spend longer time doing cool down. Then on the left side, then at the back, push your hands between your legs and you should feel a stretch in your calves and glutes. The next is coming up and bending backwards. After this, the next one is take one foot forward, the other behind. They should both be in line with each other. The front knee should be bent at 90 degrees and you go down. Make sure the heel of the back foot is touching the ground so that there is a good stretch on the left knee in this position. And the same thing we will repeat on the other side with the left leg forward, right leg back, both legs in the same line, pointed forward. The next is we cross our legs and bend down. This helps us in opening up or releasing the pressure from our glutes and quads as well. 10 counts to 15 counts, and on the other leg as well. There is a slight variation in this, is where we cross our legs and bend towards the side of the leg which is at the back. And try to touch your feet. And we will do this on the other side as well. Similar to warm up, cool downs also should be done very gently without any jerky movements. The next is take your right feet forward, left feet is slightly bent, but both the knees are together, and you bend down. The toe is pulled towards your body, towards the leg, and we try to touch our toe. The further variation in this is put your foot down and try to touch the toe. You should feel a stretch in your entire leg. You repeat this with the other leg. Again, 10 to 15 counts for this. Then we hold our right leg up, fold it fully and push it into the hip. On the other leg. If you need to take support, you can take support and do this as well. The idea is not to balance but to release the legs muscles. The next one is what we call as leg to cross shoulder or knee to cross shoulder. So we move our knee to the opposite. So right now my right leg will move to the left shoulder and then the left leg towards the right shoulder. The next one we will do is what we call as a chair or a chair position, where we fold one leg So right now I folded my right leg on my left knee and I bend down in a chair position. You do this with the other leg. And you have to hold this position for 10 to 15 counts. The next one is called as a table. So in table, we have to bend from the back. Make sure we are looking straight, hands are straight, touching our ears, and the weight is on our toes, not on our heels but on our toes. Try to go down, try to have your back as straight as possible and look in the front. We also do some exercises for our upper body in cool down, like releasing the pressure from our shoulders. And holding the hands back. Again, all of these set of 3 to be done at least 10 counts on both the hands. And lastly, you can just sit down comfortably and then spread your legs a little bit. Then the sumo squat position. All of these help us in ensuring that the muscles that have got tightened during the exercise are released. So that concludes our cool down session. Thank you.